today, I'm learning to trust God, especially when I don't know the outcome. I'm learning to trust myself, my voice, my intuition, my choices. Anything that doesn't bring me peace, oh my. Anything that steals joy, it doesn't stay. No apologies, no guilt, just gentle distance. 6 years did not break me. They refined me. They stretched me. They taught me who I am and who I refuse to become again. I'm not ashamed of the girl I was. She was surviving. But I'm grateful for the woman I'm becoming because she chooses herself every single day. This is my visual diary, and this is my journey. And if you're listening, and any part of this feels like home to you, you're not alone. And it's okay to come back to yourself. Next one.